Hello, class 5. Today we are going to start the new chapter Applications of Computer. So, what are computers? Computers are used everywhere. We can see computers at shops, hospitals, space stations, schools, etc. The power of a computer varies from place to place as per the requirement of the place. The basics of computing and computer functioning remain the same. So, what is the here telling? Computers are used everywhere. We can see computers at shops, hospitals, space stations, schools, etc. The power of a computer varies from place to place as per the requirement of the place. So we need computer, otherwise without computer we cannot perform anywhere. Now it is very important in modern days. The basics of computing and computer functioning remain the same. The basics of computing and the computer functioning remains the same, means it is very important for all of us. Now, applications of computers in various fields. Computers are used in various fields. Let us know more about the different applications of computers. Now, we came to know about the different applications of computers. So, first applications of computers are computers in media and entertainment. In today's era, computers are playing an important role in almost everything. Media and entertainment are exception. In the television and film entertainments movies can now be modified on a computer also. So nowadays, in today's era, computers are playing an important role in almost everything. So media and important. You are watching cartoon, serials, TV, films, all the programs in the TVs are modified with the help of computer. So in media and entertainment are exception. In television and film entertainments, movies can now be modified on a computer also. Special effects can be created using a computer. So whatever the special effects on the computer are, it is used by whatever the special effects on the TV are, it is used by the or with the help of computer. These special effects are used in a film combined with real scenes and characters. These special effects are used in a film combined in real scenes and characters. So these computer effects are originally looked as a real scenes or characters. Number 2 is computers in advertising. Advertising is one of the most progressive fields that these days. Its scope is increasing by the day. Is more powerful software are being developed, keeping in mind the needs of advertising, computer animations, morphing, sound, and video editing, while which are the main components of advertising, are becoming easier by the day. Now, here we are watching that advertising is one of the most progressive fields these days. So we came to know that nowadays advertising is one of the most progressive fields these days. Its scope is increasing, means it is demand is increasing day by day as more powerful software are being developed, keeping in mind the needs of advertising, computer animations. So whenever we are buying, suppose we are looking at advertising, so without when we are buying something, we are looking at the ad that this might be very good, this product might be very good. So for every products, companies use that advertisements are very essential to buy to modify their products or to demand for their invisible demand for their products. Now here morphing, sound and video editing. When we are editing the video, we are editing with the help of computer. So which are the main components of advertising are becoming easier day by day. Now computers in animation. Computers animation is the art of creating moving Computer animation is the art of creating moving images by the use of computers. Now, whenever animation means whatever cartoons we are watching, means Pogo, Kidsy, Disney, then Cartoon Network, Hangama, whatever we are watching. These animations are done with the help of computer, and that animation software is known as computer animations. This movement, in fact, is the illusion of mother, which is created by displaying a series of pictures quickly. It is the illusions of pictures displaying quickly so that they can be moved as a cartoon, means moving structures. To create an illusion of movement, an image is displayed on the screen and then quickly replaced by a new image, which is slightly altered version of the previous image. In olden days, creating animations was a difficult task as each picture had to be drawn by hand. So, in previous days, animation used to be hard because all the pictures used to draw with the hand. Nowadays, we are using with the computer so that it also helps the producers and also they help the painter who paints with the help of computer. Today computers may have made it really easy to make animations, cartoons that you see that are possible only through animations. Computers in schools. Computers are used by the teachers for making lesson plans, for teaching different topics related to the subject using CDs, and for making report cards. So we are also using computers for making uh, different lesson plans, different topics related to the subject using CDs, CD drives, or making report cards. It is also used for maintaining records of students and also for preparing results. Students use computers for making projects and learning different things. So students are also using computers for making projects and learning different things. Computers in defense. Computers are useful in defense services. Modern weapons like AK-47s, AK-97, all over the weapons which are using by the our country and other countries. It is computers are helping to modify their designs, modify their technologies. Technology. Missile depends on computers. For inputs, radars are also controlled using computers. Now, this much I have taught you. So, in the next chapter, we will go for the next one because in previous homework we have till now we have not completed. So, your homework will be page number. Previous chapter you will go because we have only finished this much homework. Only this much homework. Now you will go for B, C, D and E. So your page number is 6. Class 5 computer homework, page number 6, question number B, C, D and E. So this will be your homework. And now I have not given any homework from this chapter because otherwise it will make a lot of hard work for you all because we have not completed that chapter. So we are going through the chapter and we are continuing this homework. So you have to complete this homework, otherwise we will not continue other homeworks. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you will complete all your homework and you will show me. Thank you.